Fitness is important, and helping you to achieve your goals are the best fitness apps in this video. So let's get into it. The first and highly rated app is Home Workout. Whether you are a beginner or want a challenge, you'll find several free training workouts. It shows the weekly goal and your workout status on the top. Each workout session gives you some preparation time, and then you do the voice guided exercise. The Discover section is where you browse categories for training and yoga. Lastly, Reports is where you see your weight and BMI chart. Home Workout is a highly rated free fitness app offering options for everyone. The second fitness program is MyNetDiary. The feature-rich app is your personal fitness app to track your food and maintain your weight. It doesn't have any fitness programs, but you can connect a fitness app and track everything here. This app shows your calories, and you can track your water intake with one tap. Scrolling down shows this nice weight section to follow your journey if you're looking to lose weight. The app can turn into your shopping list. You can add items or scan their barcode to quickly make a list of your favorite items. Its food tracking tool shows the recently eaten foods in that category to pick dishes quickly. For losing or maintaining weight, MyNetDiary should be on your phone. Moving on to 7. You'll find this app quite interesting. As the name suggests, it is for your 7-day workouts. You set the training days and download exercises. Each workout is animated and voice guided to help you get going. Before each workout, you get to prepare. Tapping on the screen pauses the workout. What's cool about this app is that you'll find great events around the world, and yes, you can join them. Lastly, this area shows the active members around the world. It's not the most important thing, but it's here. The next great program we have is Samsung Health. Samsung Health is not a special app, but it has options for everyone. First, you get to track your food and water data. Then it has this nice weight management feature that reminds you on specific days to check your weight and record it. You can even set targets. For those who work out, it can automatically track over 100 workouts and estimate your calorie consumption. Furthermore, it automatically tracks your steps and helps you walk the minimum daily steps. This section is great because it has many exercises for bodybuilding, weight and stress management, and yoga. Lastly, working out with friends and the world and challenging them is possible. The number 5th is Adidas Training. It is for your workouts at home or the gym. Once your goal is set, you see your weekly exercises right here. Almost all workouts have videos and are voice guided. Of course, pausing exercises and skipping them is possible. After each workout, you get to provide feedback. If you want to try something new, you can check this section and find several categories. Its dashboard keeps track of your exercise time and calories. Adidas Training is kind of a social media app where you can add friends and post stuff. The company also shares their recent articles to help you stay fit. With that said, this is it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you later. Take care.